Hi friends, welcome back to the channel SciTech. In this one, I'm going to do the UFS storage 3.1 read and write speeds comparison between the Realme X1 Max versus Realme GT Neo 2 after the recent software updates. Yes friends, both phones did receive the October security patch updates, and few of the users they want to know so what is going on with the read and write speeds comparing between these both phones. That's what I'll try to compare in this exact video. And first of all, I'm not using any kind of high performance mode. There is no GT mode enabled at this moment. You can clearly see. So there is nothing enabled at this moment. I'll try to use later on. So first without using I'll try to do, and then with using I'll try to do. In this way we'll be able to figure out what is going on with the read and write speed. So first let me need to open a couple of applications. First is Anode benchmark application. So using this Anode benchmark application we can actually measure the read and write speeds between these both phones. So now let me need to start doing, and there is no high performance mode, there is no monster mode, nothing GT mode enabled between these both phones, and both are having the UFS storage 3.1. So we should get similar kind of results, nothing much huge difference we should be expecting. And the Realme X1 Max we got about 61,000 in the Realme X1 Max, and the Realme GT Neo 2 which we got about 56,000. As you can see, Realme GT Neo, this is not the Neo model, this is the Realme X1 Max. Anyway, both are kind of same. Still the name is not updated in this application, but as you can see the difference, what is going on. So the huge difference is observed in the sequence write speed. So read is kind of okay because both phones are having the exact read speed, similar kind of read speed, but the write speed is slightly higher in the Realme X1 Max. That's the reason why we are getting slightly better scores in the Realme X1 Max device when compared with the Realme GT Neo 2. Same thing is happening with the random axis as well. Try to observe the write speeds in the random axis, 249 versus 220. As you can see what is going on. So that's a huge difference is there. So it's not 50, it's not 100, I think close to 2 to 300 difference is there between these write speeds, exactly. Now let me need to do the second time, let's see what happens now. 61,000 versus 56,000. I'm just trying to show you the multiple possibilities what can happen and which phone has got what highest score. This time it went up to 62,000, the Realme X1 Max, 62. So even though both phones are having a similar kind of UFS storage 3.1, but the write speed is slightly less in the Realme GT Neo 2. I'm not sure why it's like that, but still, let's try to use another application. Okay, let's not come to the conclusion. Let's use another application. Let's see. One more thing, I thought of using the GT mode. Let's use the GT mode and do it again. Let's clear everything from the background. So same thing applies for the Realme X1 Max as well. I'll try to use a high performance mode. Let's see what happens if you try to use high performance mode. Let's open the Anode benchmark application and let's do the test. Again, let's see what happens now. So GT mode and high performance mode is enabled, and just for testing only out of curiosity, I just want to see the results, what's gonna happen. So we got same kind of results, 61,000 and 56,000, as you can see exactly. So even using high performance mode and the GT mode, this cannot increase any kind of read and write speeds. You can clearly see friends, so it's not that suitable to turn on anyway. So that's the reason I'm trying to turn off in this both phones. And let's open next application, which is Anode bench application. Let's try to do the testings in this application as well. Now we'll be able to find out what is happening. So in 2 times testings and I think 3 times testing also, the Realme X1 Max was able to have the really high speeds. And in this application also it's showing sequential read is 1724 and 1680. So not bad. So only few differences there. I think close to 50 differences there. But write speed, again, the Realme X1 Max scored about 1000, but the Realme GT Neo 2 scored only 724 in write speed. So slightly kind of less write speeds even after the recent software updates as well. Still it's kind of continuing. You can see side by side writes is 273 and 259. So these are the doubts which few of the users they are actually having, whether the after software update is the score increased or not in this device. That's the main reason friends why I'm trying to do these videos after the software updates. So sometimes with the software updates, few of the things can be actually fixed. So let's see what's going to happen in the next couple of updates. And thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.